What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the AWS CLI on your Mac OS. So head over to your Google and search for AWS CLI for Mac, and you'll see this link right here which says install or update the latest version of AWS CLI. Click on it and scroll down. You'll see this section Linux, Mac OS, Windows. So this video is for Mac OS. You can simply click on it and you have an option to download the installer. So scroll down till you see this GUI installer and click on this link where it says in your browser download the macOS pkg file. You also have some other options as well. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that, but let's just use the package. So you can see the installer is downloading. Once done, simply open it up. Now it's a fairly simple installation. Click on continue, click on continue, click on continue, click on agree, then continue. Click install, give your password, and the CLI will be installed. Now close this. If you want to keep the file, you can keep it. I want to move it to bin, so that's it. Now before we can use the AWS CLI, we need to configure it. So go to your terminal and pass in this command AWS configure. And it's going to ask you for the AWS access key ID. Now where to get this access key ID from? Head over to your AWS console and go to IAM users and go to IAM dashboard section. You can see it right here. Now here we need to create a user. If you already have a user, you can go ahead and use that, but I'm just going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to create a user. Let's give it some name. Let's say test AWS. I'm not going to provide user access to AWS management console. This is optional. So let's just leave it empty. Click on next. Now here you can add a user to an existing group where you can have the policies already attached, but I'm just going to attach the policy directly here. And I'm going to give it administrator access, which is not good, but for the sake of this video, let's give it. Then click on next and click on create user. Now you can see the test-AWS user has been created and we can create an access key right here. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to choose the command line CLI interface and click on the confirmation. I understand. Click on next. Create access key. Now this is the access key. I'm just going to copy it, head over to my terminal again, and I'm going to paste it right here. Now it's asking for the AWS secret access key. Now go back and click on here, show, copy this, go back, paste this, click enter. Now you need to add your default region name. Mine is already US East 1. If you want to be sure, go here and check your. Now I don't want to again configure it. You can see it's already configured for me. So I'm just going to simply press enter. But if it's not configured for you, paste the region, then hit enter again. So that's it. AWS CLI is configured for you. Now you can use it for whatever purposes that you want to use it. For example, let's say AWS S3 LS. It didn't give me anything because I don't have any S3 bucket. But in your case, if you have S3 buckets, it should show you the list of S3 buckets. But this means since we didn't got any error, the AWS CLI is successfully configured on your Mac OS. So this is it for this video. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.